Hi folks, this is Nick Ruiz with Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram and RVs here in Piqua, Ohio. Today I'm showing you a 2014 Ram 3500 Laramie. Stock number 27063T. Of course, the Laramie has a beautiful grille that stands out from the rest of the Rams. And you've got everything else on it. You got fog lights. Now this Ram is black in color, two-tone silver on the bottom. Got the chrome tube steps on it. We got 17-inch aluminum wheels and tires. This is the full crew cab. It's got the 6.7 liter turbo Cummins diesel with a 6-speed automatic transmission in it. Interior is black in color, black leather. Nice center console. Black leather's got the Laramie badge stamped into it. You've got ventilated, cooled seats, heated seats, power seat. This Laramie comes equipped with the 8.4 touchscreen navigation. You got a heated steering wheel in here. Just a 4-wheel drive with the dial. Little rotary dial there. Stuff shift on the fly. It's got Uconnect, cruise control, of course, power windows, locks, mirrors. It's got the wood grain look in the doors, Ram logo in the door handle. Just beautiful trucks. With the full crew, you've got all kinds of room back here. Seats do lift up. You've got a little work table here. Folds out. Other side will do the same. You've got the power sliding back window. Now this does have the long bed on it, so you got the 8-foot bed. Tow package. Comes equipped with the park assist sensors along with the rear backup camera. There's your Laramie badge. What a good looking truck. 2014 Ram 3500 Laramie. Here at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram and RVs in Piqua, Ohio. Come see Nick Ruiz.